Hey Mr. Bledsoe, this is Jacob Skinner here doing the video assignment for 2A, Factoring a Quadratic Expression. Today I'm just going to be learning about basically the three different quadratic expressions that can be factored. There's really three different ways you can do it. One is the easy case method with a quadratic trinomial expression. One's a two perfect squares expression, and one's the greatest common factor expression. Right here. Let's get started. Alright, first we got the easy case expression, and I don't know if you can see it that good, but first you multiply A, okay, the first is A, the second is B, sorry I don't know why I put 2, and the third is C. So really you're going to multiply A times C, and it's going to come up, they're going to add up to equal 9. So 9 goes on the bottom of this X that I like to use. It's really helpful to remember and everything. So there's nothing in front of X, so that would be 1. So 1 times 18 is 18. But instead of this being positive, I'm going to change it a little bit, make it a little trickier than what we thought. So this is going to be minus 18. So this is negative 18, and this was positive. Sorry, I got my signs backwards. So we're going to have where we can get negative 18. Actually, I had them right. That's the count on my part. So that's negative right there. It's going to be negative 9 and positive 18. Okay, what is two numbers that equal 18 just in general? We've got 1 and 18. We've got 2 and 9. Then we've got 3 and 6. And I think that's it. Alright. So I know 1 times 18 doesn't work because it has to equal negative 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Neither those negatives wouldn't work either because that would add up to equal negative 11. Negative 3 and negative 6 does work. Whoops, I don't know why I wrote 3. I'm really screwing up bad today. I'm sorry about that. So that's negative 6. So negative 3 and negative 6 are the answers. Negative 3 plus negative 6 equals negative 9. Negative 3 times negative 6 equals positive 18. Right, so you write like this. X minus 3 and X minus 6. And those are your two factors for the easy case. The GCF, here, which stands for greatest common factor, we've got 12 and 18. 12 and 18. What are some factors of those? We've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, we've got 4, we've got 6, and then we've got 12. For 18, we've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6, and 18. Well, actually, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Sorry, my bad. So we're going to circle the greatest one they have in common, which to me it appears that they're going to be 6 as the greatest common factor for both the 12x and the 18. So the factor for 12x and 18 is 6. Or G. God, I'm bad and tonight. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. Sorry. My fault. So GCF equals 6. Then the difference of two perfect squares. We all know 8 to the second equals 64. 8 times 8 equals 64. And that is Then 4 to the second equals 16. I hope we all know that. No lie. 64 minus 16 equals is 48. And that is the difference of two perfect squares. And that, my friend, you just learned how to do the 3 ways of factoring a quadratic expression. There you go. Y'all have a good night. And there's the answer for difference of two perfect squares. I don't think you can see it while I'm doing it. That is totally my fault. I'm sorry. There you go. Get a good look at that real quick. And y'all have a good night. I will see y'all tomorrow.